Quiet, yes, the best Super 8 I have stayed in. Good hospitality, amazingly quiet. Amazing, loved how quiet it was. Unparalleled rest, great spot to rest your head. Exceptional, they have the best employees. They are really nice. Exceptional, the employees were nice and there's a lot of restaurants around the place. I would recommend anybody to stay here. Good stay. NANA. NANA. Okay, stay. You get what you pay for. It's just a place to sleep. We saw one bed bug. Make sure to put a towel under the door to keep the cigarette smell out. Your room might be a non-smoking room, but neighboring rooms might be smoking rooms. Breakfast includes coffee, cereal, milk, bananas, and Danish. Very simple. No shampoo in the room, only soap. The front desk clerk. She was very colorful and professional in a family-like manner. Always to be seen when entering lobby. The cleaning crew stayed busy and gladly to help with needs while visiting the area. Great prices. Very clean and friendly staff. For safety. I came here trying to flee a domestic situation. Every one of the staff members were so kind, caring and friendly. I stayed here for about a month. And I highly recommend this hotel. The area isn't too well, but it's very convenient to local stores, fast food restaurants, dining restaurants, and to the interstate where you can go anywhere. This hotel and their staff are fantastic. Basics. This property provides the basics. I wish they would fix the ice machine, the OJ machine, and put microwaves in some of the rooms. For the most part, the staff is friendly and professionally. Wonderful stay. We had zero problems out of staff or other people. Not the best, but definitely not the worst place I've ever stayed, and the housekeeping staff was awesome and super nice. Decent except for the breakfast. The hotel is fine. Surprisingly good. They must have done a remodel recently. Very nice for the price.